in history and culture, but also shrouded in mystery. This land, with its diverse landscapes and ancient architecture, holds secrets that have been passed down through generations. Among its natural beauty and historical landmarks lie some of the most haunted places in the world. These locations are steeped in legends and folklore, where tales of ghosts and paranormal activity still thrive. From eerie abandoned buildings to misty hills at dawn and foggy forest paths, each site has its own spine-chilling story. Join us as we explore these haunted places, uncovering the mysteries and the eerie tales that make them so fascinating and terrifying. Mohatta Palace, a symbol of elegance and architectural grandeur, is also home to ghostly tales that have intrigued many. Built in 1927, this majestic structure has witnessed the passage of time and history. Staff and visitors alike have reported unexplained phenomena, such as mysterious footsteps echoing through the corridors, doors slamming shut on their own, and faint whispers that seem to come from nowhere. These eerie occurrences are believed to be the spirits of former residents who once roamed its halls. Some say they can feel a chilling presence, especially in the late hours of the night. The palace, with its haunting beauty, continues to be a place of fascination and mystery for all who visit. The Chowkhandi tombs near Karachi, while an archaeological marvel, are surrounded by eerie stories. Visitors claim to witness shadowy figures and a chilling sense of being watched, especially at night. The infamous Lady in White of Karsaz Road has terrified travelers for years. Many report seeing this spectral figure hitching rides and disappearing suddenly. Lahore Fort, with its centuries of history, is also said to be haunted by spirits of tortured prisoners. Visitors describe strange sounds and ghostly figures in the fort's dungeons. Markley Necropolis, one of the world's largest graveyards, is said to be haunted by the spirits of those buried there. This ancient site, spanning over 10 square kilometers, holds the remains of countless souls from different eras. After dark, visitors have claimed to hear voices whispering through the wind and feel an overwhelming sense of dread. The eerie atmosphere is intensified by the mist that often blankets the area, creating ghostly silhouettes among the tombstones. Some have even reported seeing shadowy figures moving between the graves, adding to the spine-chilling experience. The rich history and legends surrounding Markley Necropolis make it a fascinating yet haunting destination for those brave enough to explore its depths. Kohi Chiltern in Balochistan is haunted by the spirits of 40 abandoned children whose cries echo in the mountain winds, making it a terrifying place for hikers. These haunted places in Pakistan blur the line between history and the supernatural. Would you dare to explore?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content and updates.